We'll guide you through how to turn off focus modes on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Focus modes can be really convenient, but if you don't currently need them, they can be annoying because they can do things like silence your notifications. Therefore, you won't go and be notified and you won't go and hear a sound or maybe even go and see when you go and receive things like messages and other notifications. Make sure this full guide is guiding you through how this can go and be done. And after you've gone and turned it off, they're then just going to come through. Of course, focus modes can do different things depending upon how you've got it set up and depending upon the notifications you've got set up with it. But we'll guide you through how you can go and turn them off. What you want to do is you need to come to the top right of your iPhone to where the battery is. And drag down there, and that's going to open up the control center. You're going to see some different options in here, but you want to go and locate this option. Mine currently says do not disturb, as that's the focus mode I've got turned on, so I can just tap on it to go and turn it off. But you can go and tap on long hold on it, and you can also go and turn it off by unselecting it here. There are other options as well you may go and have turned on, but you can go and tap on them to go and turn them off like so.